JetBlue 748, I've got a message for you when you're ready.
748, go.
Yeah, JetBlue 748, one of the controller's ex-wives is on board with her boyfriend, and got a message here to D. I hope you didn't spend all the alimony.
Copy that. JetBlue 748.
Thank you much.
Copy, controller's name is D.
The ex-wife's name is D, sir.
Got it, thanks.
Yes.
New York, good evening, 883 Charlie Charlie, board 73.
883 Charlie Charlie, New York approach, Park Deer Park, heading 220, vector special approach, runway 1, Zulu current.
Alright, we have Zulu and departing Deer Park, heading 220,
748, send and maintain 13,000.
13,000, JetBlue 748, message has been passed.
Thank you.
748, contact approach 128.12.
2812, JetBlue 748.
Thanks again.
No problem.